The next one was near Air Force Base. Right? That was started by Selector Mayor. We completed it. Right? The next one, you will not know. The one at Woji, that all of them are claiming. We did it. So we constructed 5 flyovers quietly without making noise. Because you don't have a dictionary building flyover. It is called in governance finding traffic solution. But today, wow, you got it. Flyover. They will say that and abuse people. People are planning for them. A courageous man is not the man who abuses people, it's the man who confronts fear.
I tell you.
They say, you can't go to Abado because they are killing people at Abado. It's okay, let me go there and let them kill me. Right? And it is when you go without police and army. When I was governor, a lot of people see me drive myself, not to use security. And I know that the majority of you here, are Igbos, right? Yes? Yes. If you recall, I introduced a scholarship program. I gave to 23 local government areas. And I created one local government for Igbos to make it 24. I gave the Igbos the same scholarship I did to university. And my argument was simple. My argument was simple. See you when you are doing business. You work here, you pay tax here, you pay house rent, you buy food. The economy of River State is generated by everybody who lives here. So you contribute. The contribution the Riversman makes to the River State economy is the contribution you make. Then you go and marry either a Riversman or an Igbo girl, a Riversman or a Igbo girl, whoever you marry. Or a Calabar girl or Calabar man marry anybody, whoever you marry. Then you have a child in River State. The child goes to primary school in River State, secondary school in River State. Then try to go to university, I shouldn't give her scholarship, him or her. I will give her scholarship. You know why? The child is a Rivers child. So I gave all of them what? Scholarship. You know my happiness? When I travel and somebody taps me on the back. Sorry sir, I'm a scholar, I'm your scholar. What do you mean by that? I'm a student of Oxford University, you paid my fees. I'm very happy. That gives me happiness. After the scholarship, we employed 13,200 people. 13,000 of them are Igbos. I mean, 30,000 of them are Igbos. The university was about 3,000 people. The rest scattered. The reason why we did it is not for politics, it's because you are entitled to it. You live in River State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.